Hi everybody, this is the first part of experiment number 3 where we are going to measure the heat capacity of the calorimeter. This is the calorimeter, it's a styrofoam cup, it has a lid. Now here we insert the temperature probe and I'm going to show you, so it looks like this. The sound that you hear is a magnetic stirrer that we have in there. We have to constantly stir the solution or whatever we have inside here. The temperature probe is going to send the temperature data to the data logger. Just a second, okay? So we are going to collect temperature versus time in seconds here. And to measure the heat capacity of this calorimeter, we are going to mix cold water and hot water. So I'm going to start recording this temperature over here. Let's see, start. There you go. So the temperature is probably close to 19.4 Celsius. In this beaker, I have hot water or water at a higher temperature. So I'm going to measure this temperature here. So the temperature of this hot water is about 44.5 Celsius. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to the cold water that I have inside the calorimeter already. It's about 50 milliliters, but I'm going to provide to you the exact mass that I have in there. I'm going to add the hot water. And I'm going to observe how the temperature changes. And as you can see here in the data logger, the temperature is increasing. Now, to do the calculations to find the heat capacity of the calorimeter, we will need the mass of the cold water and the mass of the hot water. So I'm going to provide this data for you. Also, using the graph or the numbers that we get here for temperature versus time, we are going to find what is the delta T, or the change in temperature from the cold water to the hot water, and also what is the change of temperature of the hot water when it mixes with the cold water. So the experiment is pretty much finished. The only thing that we have to wait here is to get a little bit more of data at the end of the experiment, so we make sure we can find this final temperature of the mixture. That is going to be very important to calculate the delta T. So for the purpose of this video, this is the experiment and this is the setup to find the heat capacity of the calorimeter. So I'm going to cut the video here, but I'm going to provide a little bit more of data at the end, okay?